Gasoline powered air compressor back up and running. Just put the new carburetor in. Then we'll go back in the shop. Okay, right now it's idling on bypass. It's just venting the air right back into the atmosphere there, not into the tank, because these things will blow up, you know, that's how they're made to work. Okay, it's going to hit the throttle when we empty the tank back down to about 80 pounds. Here we go. I'll let that air out and we'll see how there, no problem. I set the idle up a little ways because the air pressure gauge would call for full throttle on the engine, and then it would choke the engine out just because the idle was too low. So I set the idle up a little bit, problem solved. That's a nice idle right there. And bang, there we go. All right. Gotta put all my tools away and call it a day. This air compressor is back up and running. Nice little off switch right there. Okay, and I'm Dead Wolf. This kind of fun on the next one. Till then, take care, everyone. Thanks for watching.